Venture capital funding in the United States this year is set to reach an all-time high of $12 billion. The time is now for your company to make its pitch. The best way to get investors interested is with a professional pitch deck. We've analyzed hundreds of Silicon Valley pitch decks and identified battle-tested funding methods of leading entrepreneurs. Now you can easily use their winning strategies with our ultimate pitch deck resource. In this video, we'll show you how you can use our expertly designed and fully customizable slides for your needs. We'll also show how some of the top companies such as Uber and Robinhood use pitch decks like ours to earn in millions in investment capital. Real quick, for those of you who don't know us, we're You Exec. We create presentation slides, business framework videos, and spreadsheet templates that your company can use to stand out from the competition. You can access our ultimate pitch deck resource and hundreds of other tools by clicking the link in the description. Pitch decks showcase your product, outline monetization strategies, and introduce your organizational capabilities to investors. Our ultimate pitch deck template has slides that highlight your team members, your total addressable market, and your key demographics. You can clearly communicate your company's outlook with slides dedicated to your business model, financial projections, and project milestones. All the slides have a variety of layouts to keep your audience engaged. It's important to start your presentation with the problem and solution slides. This is where you clearly and simply communicate the problem that your company will fix and get your audience hooked. In Uber's first pitch deck, they address their unique problem in a very basic slide. They used 2 bullets with supporting details to show how the cab system was flawed. On the next slide, they showed how they would improve the cab system in another straightforward, bulleted list. We've taken this basic framework and revamped it with an eye-catching layout. These slides include our recommended amount of text, so all you need to do is plug in your specific problem and solution. You want to keep it simple and effective. Investors want to know that their money is in good hands. Our research identified that Silicon Valley investors typically invest $1 million per team member, so long as that team member has a history of success. When Robinhood started, they had no product and very little proof that the company would actually succeed. They decided to rely on their team members. Andreessen Horowitz, an early investor, gave $3 million in seed because the venture had 2 technical co-founders with proven track records. To help gain the trust of investors, the ultimate pitch deck includes slides on your company overview, where you can insert your start date and any previous funding. It also has a customizable slide devoted to your team members and their successes. A Stanford study of 200 VCs found that the abilities of the team are more important than even the product or technology in driving investment. All the best pitches identify an untapped market. Investors want a business model that can generate billions in value. That's why it's crucial to present your target markets and key demographics. In their initial pitch to investors, Robinhood identified a target market of young investors that they knew was disenfranchised by the financial system. They emphasized that this younger demographic would be around for a long time and that their market size would only increase over time. This dedicated market size slide allows you to display this information in an easy to understand format. Just plug in the estimated size of your target market, your total serviceable market, and your total addressable market. You can also highlight your key demographics using this target persona slide. Showcase a wide range of demographics or tailor your pitch to a single key demographic. Oh, and don't forget, click the link in the description to download and customize this framework today. Another important aspect of your pitch is the financial outlook. One common mistake that businesses make in their pitches is focusing on upfront profits and ignoring the scalability of their service. Successful pitches emphasize scalability and long-term success. For example, when Airbnb initially approached investors for its first seed round, the company projected it could capture roughly 50% of its total addressable market, or $84 million in total trips. With an average fee of $25 per trip, the founders proposed that if they could pull this 15% market share off, they could reach $2.1 billion in revenue by 2011. As it turned out, in 2011, the company ended up raising over $100 million in a round led by Andreessen Horowitz. The company was valued at $1.5 billion, closer to 2% of their total addressable market. Execs can use our financial projection slides to customize the time frame and profit margins to their company's specific outlook. Try not to look too far ahead because investors typically have VC funds that last 10 years. Therefore, it's important to show how value can be generated within that time frame. Now that you've laid out all your financial projections, it's time for the ask. In 2008, Airbnb approached 8 investors with an initial ask of $500,000. This would provide 12 months of runway to achieve $2 million in revenue. However, at the 11th hour, they decided to enter the Y Combinator startup accelerator, instead of signing a deal with a single angel investor. Because of this, they raised an initial $20,000 in seed. However, that $20,000 turned into a $600,000 investment from Sequoia Capital 6 months later. As part of the ask, you need to lay out how much you want to raise, where that money will go, and how much revenue this funding could generate over a given timeline. In addition to where the money will go, founders should also make a case for why investors should invest today. Round up your startup's top 5 selling points to hit everything home. These points could include how those who invest now can benefit from a first mover advantage, how your product is backed by early market validation with strong scalability, and a final reminder about the strength and the diversity of your founder team. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, you can find more videos and book summaries in our library.